Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Right guys, in today's video we're going to do some more practice here and examples on ratio and proportion for Key Stage 3 / GCSE level maths, okay, for the 9-to-1 curriculum actually on Sunday the 7th of June 2020. Right guys, if you're new, welcome. My name's Abdallah W and I'm a private maths tutor and a qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. Okay, please do subscribe to my channel if you're new, drop the video a like and enable notifications by pressing the bell icon. But let's get into today's video guys. Okay, so we're going to look at 11 examples for today's lesson. Okay, so question number 1 actually, right, okay, so it's grade 4 and 5 actually for the GCSE 9-to-1 actually curriculum. Okay, so question 1 actually, so it's more practice on proportion ratio. If 6 apples cost £1.50, how much do 3 apples cost? Okay, so I've decided to write here as like a ratio, so 6 apples to £1.50, 3 apples is just half of that price, so half of £1.50 is going to be 0.75 or 75 pence. Okay, so my answer would be 75 pence here for question 1. Okay, sometimes guys actually, I forgot to mention it in yesterday's video actually. So sometimes they might ask what we call a best buy question. So you might have this actually, and then you might give another scenario where 10 apples cost £2, and then you might be asked actually to work out which is better value for money. So you would just compare your answers at the end, if that makes sense. Yeah. So sometimes you might have a best buy question. Okay, question 2, right, if we have 10x equals 8, what's the value of 20x? Okay, so 10x times 2 gives me 20x, 8 times 2 is 16, so the value of 20x is going to be 16 actually, so the answer to that is 16. Okay, question 3, solve 4x equals 8. Okay, so 4x means 4 times x, so x equals 2. Okay, divide top and bottom by 2. X equals 2. Find the value of 10x. So 4 times 2.5 gives me 10. 8 times 2.5 gives me 20. Okay, so my answer will just be 20. Right guys, next few questions. Right, so 3 to 5 is 6 to 10. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay. Right guys, question number 5. Okay, so 10 to 16 to 18. Okay, so it's going to be 5 to something, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, 5 to 8 to 9. Okay, so that'll be my final answer. Okay, that cannot be simplified further actually, because there's no highest common factor actually like between those numbers. So that cannot be simplified any further. Right guys, question number 6. Okay, so simplify 12 to 48. Okay, so divide top and bottom by 12. Okay, so 12 is my highest common factor, so it's going to be 1 to 4. Okay, right guys, question number 7. If 1 apple costs 96p, what's the value of 9 apples? So 96 times 9 will give you the answer to that. Okay, so that so the answer I'll put the answer to that in the description below, guys. Okay, right guys, last couple of questions now. Okay, if 4 people complete a job in 60 minutes, how long will it take 2 people to complete? So this is what I call, guys, so this question is what I call indirect proportion. So what we're saying here is, so if it takes 4 people actually to complete a job in 60 minutes actually, then we know if it's the same job it will take 2 people longer, so it will actually take double the amount. So the answer would be 120 minutes or 2 hours. Okay, because if you think about this logically, the less people you have actually, then the more number of people you will need to actually work out your answer. To actually complete the job actually. So 1 person would take 240 minutes actually to actually complete the job actually. 2 people would take 120. 3 people would take would probably take 90, I believe. And then obviously 4 people, it would take 60 minutes. And then obviously the more people you have, the less time it will take, if that makes sense. Okay. Right guys, question number 9, simplify 6 to 42. Okay, so it's going to be 1 to 7. So divide top and bottom by 6, so 1 to 7. So that's in its simplest form. Okay, question number 10. Okay, simplify 8, 10 to 16. So divide top and bottom, these 3 by 2, because they're all even numbers, 4 to 5 to 8. Okay. And then lastly, can 7, 9 be simplified? The answer is no, because it has no common factors between 7 and 9. 7's a prime number, and then 9 isn't. So there are no numbers here that go into 7 and 9. Okay, whole numbers. Okay. Sometimes they might ask you to write it in the form like 1 to n or n to 1. Okay, yeah. That is quite easy. Yeah, I have done a video on that actually. Yeah, so like if you're interested, yeah, you to check out the video that I made on that actually. Yeah, like a while back now. Okay, right guys, I hope it was clear actually. Yeah, please do guys, please do obviously check out Maths Chelsea, Corbett Maths, Jack Brown, TL Physics, Hegarty Maths, and Maths Genie. Okay, for like more practice, yeah, more questions. Okay, if you're looking for like more questions, yeah, check out like Corbett Maths actually, because there's loads of questions on this worksheet. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Yeah, please stay safe, and I hope everyone's doing okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Happy Sunday. Bye now.